more robots we have and that are tied into the Luna autonomy platform, then the more data we get. The more data we get, the more we can do that. And there's several things. One, the raw data itself, which is all these different sensor inputs, that provides great things to look at. But then you start applying those. So there's lots of different things you can do. You can combine different data sources to get new results. You can run different machine learning algorithms, whether it is detecting new things. With a lot of data and the right algorithms, you start bringing out more and more what are called features. And a feature could be something like how to recognize a tree. And the more trees that we see, the more robust that feature can become. And just as a simple example. And so, one, we can expose all the raw sensor data. But two, we can then give this really robust feature detection of a tree. And then we can give a really robust feature detection of a person. We can have certain behaviors of what's best to do when it's cloudy and we start losing some GPS signal or go underneath a tree. So the more data we have, the more things we can do with it. And as we collaborate with others and combine this data, there's just more and more new things that can come out of that. So one of the things that we want to be able to do is, as we have more data, we can create more and more value of that data. With this algorithms we use like VSLAM, we're able to recognize and avoid or understand objects around us. And the more we see of those objects or more variations of those objects, the more and more valuable or the more precise the algorithms become, and the more valuable the data that drives those algorithms and those models become. Like, for example, if I look around and I recognize a chair, I look outside, I can see a tree, bushes and different things. If I see something new, even to my brain, I need to teach it, okay, what is that? I need to associate it with something else. Is it close to that, or is it something brand new? Our VSLAM algorithms are doing the exact same thing. And the more chairs I see or the more trees I see, the more I'm able to recognize chairs and trees in general. And that's a little bit harder to do for computers, but with a lot of data and the right models, then we can get really accurate representations and start detecting these things easier and easier.